sheet. If we're going over, we pop this thing loose. You just pop it off like that, and she'll break.
What is this for?
That is for hiking. You put your feet underneath that thing and you hike out. I'm telling you, this boat can get going really fast. So let's get ourselves hung up. Still, are we still hung up in there?
Yeah, because of that. That's gonna hold it up. Hold it up.
There we go.
So we get
There we go.
It's kind of one side. Larry, where you sitting? It's kind of going one side.
Trust me, balance will become very